Hi, my name is Amanda Rocha. I am an estate planning and probate attorney in California. And today I am going to be answering some frequently asked questions about durable powers of attorney. Before I get into that, I want to give you my contact information as always. You can find me on my website, www.amandarocalaw.com. You can find me on social media at Amanda Rocha Law, or you can comment down below if this platform allows you to do that. So let's just jump right into it. I get a lot of questions over and over again from potential clients and people that I just talked to about my job and what I do. Powers of attorney are something that a lot of people need, whether or not they have an estate plan. And if you do have an estate plan, you're going to need powers of attorney. Durable powers of attorney are used for financial matters and not healthcare matters. Financial and other kinds of paperwork not relating to your health. So let's just dive into some of the most frequently asked questions. One, if I create a power of attorney, when is it effective? The answer is, it depends on the document you create and what you write in your document. If you want it to be an immediate power, it will be. If you want it to be springing, meaning it won't work until an event happens, then it will be. Usually, for financial powers of attorney that I create in an estate plan situation, we are going to either have someone have immediate powers because this person is sick and is going downhill quickly, unfortunately. Or if it's a healthy person creating an estate plan for themselves, then we're going to have it not work. So it's going to be ineffective, dormant, until that person becomes incapacitated. And you can choose whether you want that to be a decision made by your primary care physician, by two different licensed physicians, by one licensed physician, or by a judge. It depends on how you fill out your document. The next frequently asked question is, what are the powers that the person gets, the agent? What are they allowed to do once I've assigned them as my power of attorney? That is also going to be completely up to you. It will be listed out on your power of attorney, A through H, and you can initial next to each item that you want them to be able to exercise, what power you want them to exercise, or you can allow them to exercise all of them. Generally, these powers range from being able to work with your financial institutions to being able to sell your real estate. So they're vast, and you can limit it as much as you want, or you can make it as broad as you want to. Another common question that I get from people regarding durable powers of attorney is, when does it end? Well, if you become incapacitated and it's a springing power, then it will be in effect as long as you are incapacitated. Whether that's a day, a month, a week, a year, it depends on what's going on with you. If you come back to being in full capacity, then the same way that you chose to show incapacity, so let's just say two licensed physicians say that you are incapacitated, then you would need two licensed physicians to say you are now at full capacity again, or at least enough legal capacity to make decisions on your behalf, and then the power of attorney would end. Otherwise, when you pass away, the power of attorney ends because you're no longer alive and that power doesn't extend past your death. Another very frequent question I get about durable powers of attorney is, why can't I just download a form on the internet by myself? Why do I need to go through you and include it in my estate plan? Well, that's going to be, well, first the answer is you don't have to. You can always download something from the internet, but the question is, where did you get it? Do you trust where you got it? Is it up to date? Is it cohesive with your trust and will? And does it say the same things that you want to be done, or is it conflicting? Because if it's conflicting, what document do you want to follow? That is why we want to make your whole entire estate plan cohesive. I do have another question. Let me look at my notes here. Can an agent sell your house? Well, I kind of already answered that question, but really it depends on what you put in your power of attorney. If they are allowed to handle real estate transactions, then yes, they could sell your house if they had to. Last question, frequently asked question about durable powers of attorney is, can they make a trust for you? Same answer as the last question. If the power of attorney form itself that you're using says that this person can create estate planning documents on your behalf for your benefit or for, somebody else's benefit, then they can, but it has to say that they can. It's not going to be a document that just says they can do whatever they want. I mean, you really have to enumerate these things in order for it to be effective. Otherwise, there's an argument that you weren't allowing that to happen. If you want a power of attorney and you don't have one, or if you have one and you don't understand it or you want to change it, or if you have any questions at all about powers of attorney, please feel free to contact me. I am in California. You can find me on my website, www.amandarocalaw.com. You can comment down below if this platform allows you to do that, or you can find me on social media at Amanda Rocha Law. Thank you.